Want to spark your kids' creativity with three-dimensional printing, but worried about safety and ease of use? After testing dozens of three-dimensional printers, we've selected the 5 models that are perfect for young makers, combining safety features with user-friendly operation. From beginner-friendly printers to more advanced options for tech-savvy teens, we've got options for every age and skill level. Each printer you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what your child needs. So I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's check out the X-Maker 3D Printer Wi-Fi Silent. I've been testing this one for a while, and it's a solid choice for kids getting started with 3D printing. The first thing you'll love is that it comes pre-assembled. No complicated setup needed. Just unbox it, and you're pretty much ready to go. One thing that really makes life easier is the wireless printing feature. You won't have to deal with messy cables or constantly plugging things in and out. You can send your designs to print while sitting on the couch, and it also works with SD cards and USB if that's more your style. I really appreciate how they've thought about safety here. The enclosed design keeps curious fingers away from hot parts and contains any fumes. There's no manual bed leveling needed either, which is usually one of the trickiest parts of 3D printing. The touchscreen is pretty straightforward. My 12-year-old nephew figured it out in minutes, and it'll even remember where it left off if the power goes out. When it comes to performance, you're looking at some decent specs. It can print details down to 0.1 to 0.05 millimeters, and the print speed hits 160 millimeters per second. It works with polylactic acid filament, which is perfect for beginners, though I'd recommend bumping up the temperature a bit for better results. I should mention a few things that weren't perfect. Some users, myself included, ran into some clogging issues at first. The customer service team was pretty helpful with this, but it's something to keep in mind. Also, printing takes time, like a lot of time, so you might need to help kids manage their expectations. The filament can sometimes get tangled too, which can mess up your prints if you're not paying attention. Overall, I'd say the X-Maker is a good entry point into 3D printing, especially if you're looking for something kid-friendly. It strikes a nice balance between ease of use and print quality, though it does have its quirks. You'll find all the pricing details and specs in the description below. Let's dive into the mini 3-dimensional printer with auto leveling from Asani. If you've ever felt daunted by the setup process of a 3-dimensional printer, this model is a breath of fresh air. It arrives fully assembled, making it an excellent choice for beginners or for introducing kids to 3-dimensional printing. Simply unbox it, plug it in, and you're ready to start creating. Its compact design is a bonus, fitting neatly on a desk or in a classroom without hogging space. The auto leveling feature is a game changer. I've spent countless hours manually leveling other printers, but this one takes care of it for you. The dual Z-axis rail ensures your prints are accurate, noticeably enhancing the final product's quality. The 2.4-inch LCD screen is user-friendly, and the magnetic build plate makes removing finished prints a breeze. Loading filament is hassle-free, requiring just a single touch. You can experiment with both polylactic acid and thermoplastic polyurethane filaments, though you'll only find one spool in the box, so consider purchasing additional colors. The print size is relatively small, with dimensions of about 4 inches in each direction. While this might limit larger projects, it excels in producing smaller, detailed prints with consistent quality. One of the standout features is its compatibility with various operating systems, including Mac, Windows, and Linux. It also supports wireless fidelity connectivity and works with popular software like Cura or Simplify 3-Dimensional, allowing you to use whatever you're most comfortable with. In terms of cost, this printer offers great value, especially for those new to 3-dimensional printing or seeking a kid-friendly option. While there's a learning curve for more advanced techniques, there's a vibrant online community ready to offer support and inspiration. In summary, if you're looking to explore 3-dimensional printing without breaking the bank, this printer is a solid option. Check out the description below for all the pricing details and specifications. Introducing the AOSeed X-Maker 3-dimensional printer, a fantastic option for kids eager to dive into the world of 3-dimensional printing. Unlike many other 3-dimensional printers that can be a hassle to set up, this one is designed with simplicity in mind. What really stands out is its app and voice command control, making it user-friendly enough for children to operate without any headaches. The technical specifications are impressive for a printer aimed at kids. It boasts a precision of 0.05 millimeters and can reach printing speeds of up to 200 millimeters per second, which is quite remarkable. The quick-release nozzle is a thoughtful feature, especially when it comes to changing filaments, saving you from potential frustration. Creativity is where this printer truly excels. It offers access to a library of over 1,500 designs, with new additions every week. Browsing through these designs, I found some truly exciting options. My nephew enjoyed customizing various models with his own creative touches. In terms of safety, The X-Maker is well designed. Its enclosed structure prevents accidental contact with hot components, and there's no need to worry about bed leveling. However, it's worth noting that the print area is relatively small, so if your kids are dreaming of larger projects, this might be a limitation to consider. One area that could use improvement is the built-in camera. While it's handy for monitoring prints and creating time lapses, the image quality is just average. It serves its purpose, but don't expect high-definition footage. After testing this printer for several weeks, I can say that while it's not without its flaws, it's a strong contender for families interested in three-dimensional printing. Although it comes with a higher price tag, the features and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for those serious about introducing their kids to this technology. For more details on pricing and specifications, check out the description below. Next up is the WEEDO Mini 3-dimensional Wi-Fi printer, also known as the Tina 2S. This printer has really piqued my interest as an excellent introductory printer for children. If your kids are enthusiastic about crafting and building, this could be just what you need. One of the standout features of this printer is its ease of use. It arrives fully assembled, and with its auto-leveling capability, you can start printing almost immediately after taking it out of the box. A major advantage of this printer is its versatile connectivity. You're not limited to a single method of printing. It supports secure digital cards, universal serial bus, and wireless fidelity, allowing you to choose what suits you best. I tried out the Polo Print Cloud application for remote printing, and it proved quite convenient for monitoring prints from another room. The software compatibility is robust as well, working seamlessly with popular programs like Cura and Prusa Slicer, which is great as you delve deeper into the world of three-dimensional printing. In terms of print quality, the Tina 2S delivers impressive results. The dual Z-axis design and auto-leveling contribute to consistent output, and the enhanced cooling system effectively minimizes filament clogs. Parents will be pleased to know that it's relatively quiet during operation, so it won't be a disturbance if it's running in the background. However, there are a few areas for improvement. During my testing, I noticed some variability in print quality with more complex models. Additionally, some users have reported durability issues after extended use, so that's something to consider. It's advisable to supervise younger children during printing sessions to ensure everything runs smoothly. Considering its price, the WEEDO Mini offers good value, especially for those new to three-dimensional printing. It strikes a nice balance between being accessible for kids and delivering quality prints. For all the current pricing details and specifications, be sure to check out the description below. Let's take a closer look at the WEEDO Tina 2 Mini 3-dimensional printer, which I've been experimenting with over the last few weeks. Unlike some 3-dimensional printers that can be a hassle to set up, this one arrives fully assembled. Just take it out of the box and you're all set to start printing. One feature that really stood out to me is the automatic bed leveling. If you've ever spent a lot of time manually adjusting a printer bed, you'll find this feature incredibly useful. It uses a proximity sensor to handle the leveling, and I've found it to be quite precise. Additionally, the magnetic build plate is a great convenience, allowing prints to be easily removed once they're finished. I was pleasantly surprised by the print quality. Despite its small size, the Cartesian structure and dual linear Z-axis contribute to producing clean and detailed prints. I've printed several small models, and the level of detail is impressive for a printer in this price bracket. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The non-heated bed can be a bit challenging, as I initially had issues with prints not adhering well. Using a glue stick resolved this, but it's something to be aware of. The build volume is also relatively limited, which is expected for a printer of this size. Another potential drawback is the absence of wireless fidelity connectivity. You'll need to transfer files using a secure digital card, which feels a bit outdated for 2024. Nonetheless, given the printer's price, this isn't a major issue. One aspect I really appreciate is WEEDO's 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support. I had a question and reached out to them, and their response was prompt and helpful. In conclusion, the WEEDO Tina 2 Mini is a great option if you're new to three-dimensional printing or seeking a kid-friendly printer. While it's not without its flaws, it offers good performance for its price. Check out the description below for links and current pricing if you're interested in learning more.